Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 25th October. On the front page you have this news, Center gets mired in CBI crisis. So we have been seeing for the last 3 days how CBI issue has been on the front page. So now again the further development is that the government has sent both the CBI Director Alok Verma and the CBI Special Director Rakesh Asthana on leave, and they have appointed an interim director to CBI, Mr. Rangeshwar Rao. Then this is Center sets up GOM, that is Group of Ministers on Sexual Harassment. So it will suggest a plan on the issue within 3 months. Then on page 7 you have this news, Lokayukta from February, Tamil Nadu tells Supreme Court. So the Supreme Court bench had warned states against inaction, and now Tamil Nadu has informed the Supreme Court that it would appoint the Lokayukta from February. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial is Midnight Rumble regarding the changes done to in the CBI. So it says the center, which has been dragged into the CBI mess, has a lot of explaining to do. And this second editorial is the Long March. So this is regarding hashtag Karwa Migrant, which puts the issues in the US midterm elections in sharp relief. So we have already seen how a huge Karwa of migrants, around more than 7,000 migrants from Central America are moving through Mexico, towards USA. So this is regarding that. And there are midterm elections now in US. Then the lead article, an anti-national regulation. So this is regarding government's interference and how it is trying to silence the academics from criticizing the government. So there is this new norm which has come. You can see it is mentioned here that employees of public funded universities will be subject to central civil service conduct rules that govern central government employees. Then this is the Prince and the Kingdom. So this is regarding Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, who's also known as MBS. So how recently you can see there's an incremental erosion of Saudi Arabia's strategic power under him. Then on the op-ed page, there's this article, a city terrorized out of character. So this talks about the 26/11, the Mumbai terror attacks, and post this how Mumbai has morphed itself into the most sanitized and uninterested version of itself. Then on page 10, you have this news, Supreme Court bans sale of BS4 vehicles from 2020. So post 2020, no BS4 Bharat Stage 4 vehicle would be sold in the country. We are moving over to Bharat Stage 6 from 1st April 2020. And this is continuation of the first page news. One dies at launch of Shivaji statue work. And this is Israel-India signed $777 million missile deal. So India and Israel have signed this deal to supply additional Barak 8 long-range surface-to-air missiles. Then on page 11, you have the continuation of the front page news, that is regarding CBI. So it says CVC cites Asthana's secret note against Verma. So Special Director Rakesh Asthana had written a secret note against CBI Director Alok Verma, which has been highlighted by Central Vigilance Commission in this case in which both have been sent on leave. Then on international page is the news, justice will prevail in Khashoggi case. So this is regarding the same journalist Jamal Khashoggi case, in which Saudi Arabia has now admitted to him having died in the Saudi consulate in Istanbul. So Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince says the kingdom is cooperating with Turkish authorities in the probe. Then there's no important news on page 13. On page 14, you have this news, truck industry fears ILNFS backlash. So this is the chain impact, because as non-banking finance companies, including ILNFS, as this sector has been affected, which finances the truck industry too, the crisis may erupt in the truck industry is feared now. Then on the last page, you have this news, the downside of medical crowdfunding. So this study, which covers clinics in 8 countries, including India, says that there are various dangerous treatments which are going on with medical crowdfunding. And this is cell-sized robots can be used to detect diseases. So MIT scientists have made devices that float through the bloodstream and can detect diseases. So these robots are called synth cells, short for synthetic cells. So these are the important headlines from today's newspaper. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can enroll for our current affairs course. Details are provided here. Plus also you can visit our website asia.com in the current affairs section. So here the current affairs is uploaded on a daily basis, and even monthly compilations PDFs are uploaded. So you can download this PDF for free here. So that is it. Thank you.